This is not a video for everyone. It's for the person who's been thinking about giving up. Just something I've been wanting to tell you, because over the past few months, I've read hundreds, maybe thousands of your comments, and despite all of you coming from different countries, different backgrounds, different ages, most of you are struggling with the exact same thing. And that's not coding, it's doubt. Some of you think you're too old. Some think AI has already replaced your future. Some have been learning for months, maybe even years, and still feel like you're nowhere near becoming a developer. And if I'm honest, I think almost every developer has felt that way. At least I know I have. Even after years of building software, there are still days where I feel like everyone else has it figured out. The difference isn't confidence, the difference is that you keep showing up anyway. Something I've learned over the years is that progress rarely feels like progress. Most days it feels slow, it feels messy, confusing, sometimes it even feels like you're getting worse, if that's possible. But then one day you solve a bug that would have taken you hours a few months ago. You build something that used to feel impossible. You help another developer and you realize you've been growing this whole time. You just couldn't see it while it was happening. I also wanted to share something personal. This channel started years ago as Web Developete. It's always been about sharing everything I've learned throughout my career, the lessons, the mistakes, and the experiences I wish someone had shared with me when I was starting out. Back then, I was simply documenting what I was learning and what I was experiencing as a developer. Since then, this community has grown beyond anything I ever imagined. And over the years, one thing became clearer and clearer to me. This channel was never really about web development. It was always about helping people become developers and reminding them that becoming a developer is possible even if they don't believe it yet. So from today, Web Developete becomes simply Developete. A simpler name, but the exact same mission. Actually, a name that reflects it even better. And one more thing. As you can see, this is the last video I'm shooting in this studio. From next week, I'm moving to a new studio, and honestly, I cannot wait for you guys to see it. So, see you all next week. I don't want this channel to make you feel like you have to know everything, because you never will. I don't want you chasing the perfect roadmap or the perfect programming language or the perfect moment to start. I just want to help you become someone who keeps moving forward even when learning feels difficult, even when you don't have all the answers. And if you're feeling overwhelmed, if you're not sure what to learn next, or you just need a little more structure, I've put together a few free resources that I genuinely think will help. You can download them using the links below, and if you'd like to hear from me every week, you can also join my newsletter. It's completely free, and every week I share practical advice, things I'm learning, and a little motivation to help you keep moving forward. But whether you download them or not, just don't stop, because one day you will look back at the developer you are today and you will barely recognize them, believe me. Not because one video changed your life, but because you never stopped. Thanks for watching, you legends. I'm Pete, welcome to Developete, and I'll see you on the next one.